Okay, so again, for problems 1 through 6, it says identify the line that has the indicated slope in the figures. Use the slope pick and simply go ahead and match them with the positive, negative, and undefined or zero slope. Yes, we all good? Okay, for problems 7 through 9, it says find the slope and the y-intercept of the following line algebraically. So right here, number 7, what do you think you need to do there? What do those directions mean? What do they mean? Doesn't it just mean solve for y? That's what that actually is telling you to do. So that means if I'm solving this for y, I'm going to just take over the y. So 5x plus 3 is equal to y. It says it wants the slope. Okay, so what's my slope out of that equation? 5. And my y-intercept, remember, I'm super picky. It has to be an ordered pair. So what is the ordered pair representing my b value up there? 0, 3. So that's how you're going to do that one. Number 8 is very similar. If I solve this, that's going to give me 5x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2/5. Well, here's x and here's y. If I'm graphing y equals 2/5, that's going to be a vertical line right there. Would you agree? Okay, well, what's the slope of that vertical line? The slope is undefined. What is the y-intercept? What is a y-intercept? By definition, a y-intercept is the point on the graph where it crosses the y-axis. Does this cross the y-axis? No, so what do you write? How about none? Because there's not actually a solution. It's not talking about that. It's asking for a specific intercept. You with me? Do we all understand how to do 7 through 9? Okay, next set. 10 through 15. See y'all. I think it sounds like a plan. All right, for problems 10 through 15, find the slope-intercept form of the line with the following information. Each example is different. Number 10 gives you a slope, and what is the point 0, -2? What type of a point is that? It's a special point. 0b, right? So it's the y-intercept, right? So you don't really have to do any work there. You simply write your equation. Number 12, do you have any work to do really there? No, because your slope is undefined, so therefore it's going to be a special equation I'm not going to do. Number 14 is nasty and ugly. We'll talk about that. Number 11, you have work you have to show. Number 13, you have work you have to show. And number 15, that one's a pretty one too. It's easy. Okay, so let's do number 14 because I know you'll probably skip it if I don't get it with you anyway. Mostly all of them. Okay, so your slope is 7/4 minus 3/2 over -4/3 minus 3/4. Don't stress about it. Like, literally type it in the calculator. And I'm going to show you how to type in your calculator that I have here. This is on your V apps. Remember your calculator app that you have that you can log into your Inspire? Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work for you guys, then I guess use your 84 app. If you're using your 84 app, you need to make sure that you are putting parentheses around everything. I want a calculator. And there. So we are going to go right ahead and we're going to do a control division key. It's not very easy to do for some odd reason. Let's see. They won't let me. Well, that's no good. There we go. No, I want the keypad only. There we go. We want a calculator page. Just must have had to bring that up. Okay. Control division key. And then I'm going to do 7 divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 2, arrow down, and then it's going to be negative 4 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 4. And hit enter, and it's going to do that math for you. You're going to get negative 3/25. So if you do that, you're literally just going to put that in there. That's negative 3/25. So then you're going to choose a point. And obviously, choosing the point that is going to be positive is probably a little bit easier for everybody. So that means I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do y, maybe, y minus 3/2 is equal to my m, which is negative 3/25, times x minus 3/4. Okay? So y is equal to negative 3/25 x plus 9/100. And I'm going to add to that the 3/2 because I'm just bringing this over to the other side. So if you come over to your calculator and you type in there 9 divided by 100 plus 3 divided by 2, it's going to give you 159 over 100. So then y is equal to negative 3/25 x plus 159 over 100. The goal is to not freak out about the numbers because you guys have a calculator for that. So make sure you're doing the process right. Okay? So that brings me to the next set of instructions, which is going to be, nope, that's 15. I'm not going to do 15 for you. The next set of instructions says determine whether the lines 1 and 2, line 1 and line 2 are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Basically what you need to do is find a slope for each one. So if you find the slope for the first one, this is going to be 9 minus negative 1 over 5 minus 0. So that's going to be 10 over 5, which is going to be 2. Then over here, you're going to have 1 minus 3 over 4 minus 0. That's negative 2 over 4, which is going to be negative 1/2. Now compare and contrast those. Are they the same? Nope. Are they opposite reciprocals? Yeah. They are, so therefore that means they are perpendicular. Okay? And then 18, 19, and 20 is parallel and perpendicular, and I want you guys to give those a try before I do anything, because I know you guys are going to want me to do some of those, but I want to see if you guys can do them first. Any questions? You good? Okay.